Vicky and Kostas have been raising their 3 children in this house. Terry, their oldest, wants more space of his own here while he attends university. The family's changing needs have them evaluating whether or not this house can evolve with them.
If we can find something better, I think it's worth it.
I want to stay.
Here's my great, fantastic front entrance. However, you get over here and you've got a closet that fits a mouse.
But look at how beautiful it is. The house opens up. That's why you don't have a big closet. Look at our living room. Who can say that they can fit like a grand piano in their living room?
This is a cookie-cutter house in the sense that there's nothing unique to it. We sit in here for twice a year and then we never use it. The kitchen is outdated.
I love the kitchen.
Look at the floors. We've got the tiles here. We've got hardwood floors down there.
The tile floor is very functional for our family.
After you.
Nice high ceilings. This looks so formal, doesn't it? The throne chairs. And then you could choose king and queen. I like what they did up here. I love.
You like those 2 colors together?
I like what they did up here. However, not with the mustard yellow.
And the purple.
Of course, there is this issue, transitioning into tile. I hate the idea of having to rip out really nice flooring to make this work.
Well, you're not going to rip this out.
But if you can't match it, then what am I going to do? That's the problem. I mean, it really has this feeling of being so spacious, doesn't it?
It is. It doesn't have a feeling. It is spacious. Look at the size of this place. They've got a huge family room, eat-in kitchen.
I mean, yeah, it's fantastic space. Do you think this is into the garage? Oh, definitely not. Where is there a door out? I see a door here to the garden.
And there's sliders over there.
It's unfinished.
That means it's opportunity calling you.
True. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's not bad at all. Oh, it's huge.
You could close that off, and you have a serious amount of rec space down here.
Look at this.
Maybe that's cantina.
Pantry.
Cantina. You feel happy?
I feel so
Feel
happy.
excited?
I'm thrilled.
Current value is $1 million. So what is the must-have list to get you out of this house? And I believe I'm going to be getting that from you, Vicky.
The must-have list is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an open concept living area, a basement suite, 2-car garage, a large backyard with privacy, and Kosta loves full backyard walkouts, which doesn't matter to me. And we want to stay in this neighborhood.
So what is the budget for the new house?
It's $1.4 million.
Obviously, expanding the area, allows me to deliver, everything.
It's something to consider.
Kosta,
Yes.
you must have a list for me that will convince you that this is the house to stay in.
First, I'll renovate the basement, redo the ensuite bathroom, relocate the powder room so that it's more private, refresh the kids' bathroom because it's updated, new kitchen cabinetry on a larger island, replace the tile with wood flooring, and update the staircase. And a great office for Vicky.
Wow, that's quite the list. That's the bathroom. It's ready to go. It's plumbed.
Perfect.
Oh, good. We're going to close in the mechanical room. For the bathroom, we'll do a shower with a glass enclosure and a double vanity. This is all going to be the games room area. We could have foosball and ping pong table. And this will be the bedroom. So now we come into the area where there will be a kitchenette with a counter table and bar stools here. And it will all be open to the media room with a big television. Oh, and a sectional. Budget.
Yeah.
Why don't you guess?
I think you could do this for 140 grand.
Okay, that's good, except it's not just for the basement. It's 140,000 for this.
Yeah.
But it's also for 2 full bathrooms and a powder room. And we need to paint the whole house.
Okay. I'm gonna sharpen my pencil on this, but I need designs for those bathrooms for you. Try to leave the plumbing in the same place to keep those bathroom numbers down, and I will try to talk my painter into doing a very cost-effective job.
But a great job.
Always.
So we are 10 minutes from their house. The house really does deliver everything that they need. It's got 4 bedrooms plus a spare bedroom in the basement, 5 bathrooms, open concept main floor powder room. You've got 2nd floor laundry, plus a finished basement.
Oh, fireplace is nice.
Nice high ceilings,
high
hot
ceilings.
lights,
Yeah.
light colored floors.
Yeah.
Floors. Wow. Good entrance.
There isn't anything that stands out that I would say I don't like.
You have your living room, more for formal, and then when you come around the corner, then you have your family room. And this is kind of where the big TV can go if you want.
Like the kitchen is kind of, I don't know. Like I like modern kitchens, but that's a little bit too, I don't know.
It's a little too modern for you, Kostas?
A little too much.
It's not something that I would personally choose. Hopefully there's an office space here.
We'll find one.
Okay.
There.
Oh, this is nice. It's nice and open.
You've got storage, nice floors.
I think it's good. It's open. It has pot lights. It's bright.
Do you love it? What's missing? What's missing for you?
It might be nice to have a fireplace down here.
Right. So, here you have the bedroom, which is a reasonable size. So, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We are about 15 minutes from Vicky and Kostas' house. So that's your neighborhood, beautiful trees. There's a lake just down the street. It's got a finished basement. It's got a nice kitchen, walk out to a backyard, open concept storage, 2-car garage, main floor laundry room, bedrooms for the kids, a bathroom for them. All the bathrooms have been updated, so they don't have to worry about that. The basement also has a great feature I think Kostas is gonna love. Come on in.
Low ceilings.
That was quick.
Good double closet.
And the floors are really, really dark. And the little cutouts are weird.
It opens it up a little
It opens
bit.
up a little
But
bit.
what's curious is why did they put 2 of them? Why not make just one big one?
I'm getting killed here. And we haven't even moved into the house yet. Let's keep going.
Okay.
So here you have your living room, dining room combination. And I say dining room because it's not going to be an office space.
Okay, well, that's fair. Oh, this is nice.
Guess who this is for?
For me.
Yes. Guess why Vicky needs an office space?
I do.
She works at home.
So you've got eating kitchen, which is nice. You've got
nice.
a beautiful view of your family room. All right, let's have a look at the backyard. They've done a lot of work out here.
Oh, this is nice.
So
It's
you've
pretty.
got the upper deck, and you
nice.
have the lower deck.
Oh, look.
Oh, this is very nice.
Isn't it beautiful? How do you guys feel about this house?
It's not a home run. It doesn't have everything that we would be looking for.
There's some really good things about it.
Yep.
But there's some things that if I'm gonna like go into a new house, I don't want to have to spend time doing.
Yeah. What do you think this house is listed at?
$1.2 million.
Me more $1.1 million.
This house is listed at $1.2 million. So we are 13 minutes from their house, and I think it's the right 13 minutes. I think they're gonna love this neighborhood. I mean, the houses around here are gorgeous. And their house probably has one of the best locations in this development. It's backing onto forest. The house itself really delivers everything on their must-have list. Upstairs, you've got a beautiful open concept, eat-in kitchen, family room, dining room combination. Great bedrooms on the main level. They've got a huge walk-in closet that I guarantee you is bigger than the one that she has. Also, a beautiful bathroom.
Very nice. I love it already. The same floors.
Yeah.
And the dining room is really nice. It's very big.
It would fit our table easily. Fantastic.
There's plenty of room.
Kostas, you look awfully excited. I love it.
It's fantastic so far.
I have no complaints, but there's more to see.
There's a lot more to see, actually. Come. Your private office.
Wow.
Yeah, this is very nice. Oh, and I like the high ceilings.
Look at that. You can make some good decisions in here, I tell you. Look at this.
Well, actually, this would also be a really nice room to put the piano.
Well, there's other opportunities for an office space. The main area where you have your eat-in kitchen, family room combination. Look at the height of these ceilings. Look at that fireplace.
Lee,
Wow, that is very nice.
that's fantastic.
And then you've got the breakfast area, which is for like 8 people if you want.
And
we'd
you've got
have two
both. You've got
dining
an island
areas.
and the table.
Yes.
It's
I think it works.
it's a nice
It's
space.
fantastic. Oh my.
Wow.
Look at that. Now that's a walkout.
Yeah.
Can you just
Oh.
imagine how much your kids and their friends would love being down here?
Yeah.
I mean, so you've now got a secondary sort of covered area,
Yeah. It's very nice.
right?
Yeah. It's a beautiful home, like especially the outdoor space backing onto the forest and the pool. Like that's something that we're not going to get in our house. And I think
Yeah.
that the bedrooms for the kids with the bathroom and the walk-in closet, that's also something we're not going to be able to get in our house.
What do you think this house is listed at?
I'm going to say $1.7 million.
Kostas, what do you think?
I'm gonna go a little higher. I think $1.8 million.
This house is listed at $1.65 million. So yes, it's over budget. But if you look at what you're getting here, I mean, just the outdoor alone would cost you an enormous amount of money. Is this it? Does this feel like this is the one?
I still want to see what Hilary does with our house.
Kostas, what do you think?
I think we're moving in.
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Excited?
Well, we're very excited.
We're both very excited.
I'm excited, sure.
What a difference.
Yeah. Nice, huh?
Very nice, beautiful.
Do you know part of the wow factor here is just the natural light that is now coming into your home? The house has been repainted.
Yes.
Fresh and light.
It's unbelievable.
Wow. Can't believe it.
We did two bathrooms upstairs. So let's go look at those first.
Okay.
Okay.
Woo-wee.
This is fantastic.
Oh, wow.
Loads of storage, double sinks.
Oh, yeah.
The glass enclosure here is really great.
And it looks so nice.
Doesn't it look cool? So, ready to move on?
Yes.
Happy?
Yeah, very.
Good.
Thank you.
You know, Vicky, we wanted to do something just for you. Your own space for an office. Go take a look.
It's beautiful.
Not working downstairs anymore.
I never imagined it would look so nice. This is so nice.
All right, so come into your bedroom.
Nice.
It feels like a whole new space, doesn't it? And then let's go into your brand new ensuite.
Excited. Oh my God.
Here's your line.
Wow. It's huge.
Gold. Brass. Wow.
Look at that.
Look at how beautiful.
Huge vanity, huge amount of storage there. Gorgeous floors, gorgeous shower.
Absolutely stunning. Insane.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow. I must say.
We've got a television that is humongous.
Ginormous.
Yes.
So much seating. You can all hang out. The
Yeah.
whole
A
family.
lot of seating.
Wow, very nice bench.
Lighting everywhere. The floors are warm and durable. Family hangout, great party space. This is a kids hangout. And the great thing is the proximity to the kitchen. It's a great space just on its own. Ta-da. Look at this ping pong table.
Wow. Yeah, I think the kids will love this for sure. It's just so different to see the finished space and how much space we actually got.
That is now the value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
The pre-renovation value of this house was $1 million. With a final renovation budget of $140,000, the new estimated value of this house is $1,250,000. That's an increase in value of $250,000.
Okay, so decision made?
Yes.
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
Fantastic idea.
Gosh, I haven't heard that for so long.
Oh, stop.
No, he told me about the house.
The house is beautiful. Having that everything on the same level living space, just, longer term, we thought that would work better for us. Plus, the pool, the forest.
Yeah.
I think it ticked everything off of our list.
That's great. Okay, well, you know what? Have fun in your new house and someone else will come and enjoy this one.